Guys, Future Russell eating ice cream here. I'm editing this video right now. Apparently the entire first part of this video just completely disappeared. So basically we are installing a new head unit into Cameron's 2007 Cobalt LT today. The dash, we already took apart a little bit of it, but we haven't actually got to the actual head unit yet. You have to take the two side strips, one next to the steering wheel and then the really long one above the glove box off in order to be able to take off the surround around the head unit. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
Grab that side. Well, it worked. Ow! It bit back.
That did hurt. Wow. Okay, so now we've just gotta...
Well, I mean, it came off.
I mean, we did succeed at our goal. At what cost, I'm unsure. Hold this. At what cost, I don't know. Stupid airbag. Who needs that anyways?
Yeah.
The most annoying connector of the year award goes to this particular Chevy.
Ooh.
Okay.
Wow, we did it.
Okay, now
for now.
We need one of those wrenches. Crap, I didn't bring my toolkit with me. We're gonna have to find that. Right there, that bolt. It looks like a 6.5 millimeter maybe. Something like that. So, can confirm. 7 millimeter bolt.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, that's a long bolt. You're about to see a lot more of it here in a second. You're about to head that.
Just like that.
Just like that. Let's see, now we're gonna unplug our connections back here. And these
Wow. That's actually sick.
yeah, and these will
You can
plug-
see behind the steering wheel back there too.
I don't know if there's something to this or if this is...
Okay, well,
No, guess not.
Guess not. you, ladies and gentlemen, you just pull it out.
Yep, that seems to be the consensus with this car. So, 2008 Cobalt head unit, if you're interested. $100 your best offer.
Yeah, right.
Okay, we've got the wiring harness done. Everything was the correct, like it went to the color. It's color coordinated. Everything, yeah, it worked correctly. I'm still gonna go back through and electrical tape this and then cap these extra wires off. But we're gonna run a test run and make sure that this works. Cameron's been working on his floor lights while I'm in here. We had him run down in here, but he's redoing them. And they look pretty cool. So we're just gonna plug all this stuff in. And hopefully the car does not catch on fire. That's best case scenario. Well, I mean, I suppose best case scenario is that it works. That one is very unlikely. But let's... Okay, we have a door chime.
Turn on my blinkers. My blinkers.
Language English. You're holding it the wrong way.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh my.
Cameron has never heard these in his car before. They did not work before.
What are those?
Okay, here, hold this again.
Oh
I'm
my
so
God.
impressed
It
with
looks so
myself.
sick too. Look at the red.
What time is it? It's 4.
It's exactly 4:44.
So we have power. I've done that part right. I'm not hearing anything, so that's a problem. So we got it working. In here, I'm just impressed that I got it to work. Like, I'm really impressed with myself. So basically it was set to the subs. Set those as subs, and then the subs were turned off. So they were just turned off. Okay. Yeah, now we just need fun scissors. So this is the finished product. We put electrical tape over all that, and then all of the extra wires we put wire toppers on, and then I duct taped around those, or not duct tape, electrical taped around those, just to make sure that they're not going anywhere. But I think we're ready to start putting the dash kit together. Oh yeah, we're not hooking back up the FM antenna because the adapter we got was the wrong adapter. So we're just gonna tape up the end of the FM antenna and just kind of throw it down there. That's to the airbag. But I think we are pretty much good now to start reassembling this. I think all the wiring's done. So because it's a Cobalt, we were able to connect the microphone there, ran it underneath, then went through this panel, and then in the door seal all the way up here into that. And there's your little microphone piece right there that we have directed. Now it's already got a thing up here for remote start that we've never figured out how to work, so it just kind of blends in. It's in, it works. Reconnected the airbag light, now we're gonna pop it in here.
Yeah, that looks sick.
Oh, dude, that looks fantastic.
Oh, it went. Here.
Here. God, these things are annoying. Okay, we have the head unit installed. This is the final product. It is working completely. Here, let's see. You've got all your different setting menus. We set it up here so that it dims it whenever it hits a certain time. We have not tried the microphone up here yet. We're gonna try that here in just a second. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turns out. We redid the floor lighting, the radio. I mean, it all just kind of comes together now, and it looks really good. It looks really good on the gunmetal here. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this install. There'll be more on the Snowbalt and the Miata and the Fusion soon.